Guys, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make this beautiful smooth shadow around the shape. You can make the shadow around any shape basically. I have used one rectangular shape and one circular shape, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's quickly grab one rectangle, bring it to proper shape, go to position, bring it to center. Now just change the color. I will take the same color, purple. I will just duplicate this, take another page, drag the duplicate one, change the color to darkest gray, go to download. Now here I need to tell you one thing. If you are not having a pro version of Canva, you won't be getting this transparent background option, which I need to make this effect. So I will be clicking on this. I will keep PNG on. I'm okay with it, and I will just take fourth page and done, then download. Then I'll go to upload media. I'll take the download one, open. So I've got this image. I'll just check it. I'll make it as large as the original image. Yes, I have done it. Now keeping it selected, I'll go to position, backward, and the original one is at the front. Now I'll have to press shift and then drag this back rectangle, and then I'll have to leave shift, and now I can move it as per my requirement. So I'll just make it little realistic as per the shadow. It is usually kept downwards. Now it depends on from where you want your light to come. It should be, shadow should be the opposite of your light. So I think I'm okay with it. Okay, I'm done with it. Now I'll go to edit image, adjustment. I'll make blur 40, and I'll make brightness -19, -19, and there we go. We got the exact same effect. Now I'll grab some logo from here. I'll take my company logo. I'll make it big enough to get noticed. I'll go to position, center, and I'm done with the effect. So this is with the rectangle. Now on my next tutorial, I'll be showing on the next video. I'm showing at the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how did I do this circle with this beautiful smooth shadow around it. So stay tuned. I'll grab our circle here, make it large enough, position, center, then I'll just duplicate it. The same process, guys, nothing new. Drag the duplicate one, change the color. Anyway, I'm going to change this color to my logo color. Now this one I'm going to download with transparent background as I did for the previous one. I'll just uncheck everything and check only the fifth one down. Now I got this same image, the upload section, so I'll make it big enough to fit. Done. I'm going to position backward. Now shift, I have got this. Leave the shift from keyboard and keep it wherever you want. I am okay with this much. Then edit image, adjustment, blur 40, brightness -19, and I'm done with my effect. See, this beautiful nice shadow around this circle has come. Now I will again do the same thing. I'll grab my logo, I'll make it big enough, go to position, put it in the middle, center, and there we go. I'm done with the exact same effect, little bigger. So this was my effect today with rectangle, shadow, and another circle with shadow. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You can actually use such logo in any of your templates, your websites, or whatever you want. It gives a beautiful 3D effect on your logo and looks much better than a 2D one. I hope you enjoyed. If you have liked my tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Definitely subscribe to my channel and press the bell button and select all notification. Along with it, I would request you, if you really want to see my work more intrinsically, then definitely don't forget to visit my social media handles, Facebook and Instagram. Link I would be leaving in the description box and just below this video. So go and check my accounts. Those are full of such work which I usually make in daily basis for myself and partly for my clients. So today till here, I will be seeing you with some new beautiful tutorial like this. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.